Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a beautiful flowers drawing connecting with stems. First, follow my steps. Draw along with me. Any sheets, any colors as per your choice. Now, let's start drawing our beautiful drawing of flowers. You can use any colors in between. I'm going to use pink. Here is my pink. And right now I'm going to draw small lines like this. If you want to see clearly, I will drag my screen down. Right now we are making light lines. Make so many lines as much as you can. I have made my lines like this. After that, I will take neon blue from Dom's Smack Sketch. We will make small heart. I made a heart in between. Now we will make another heart. You can draw small big petals. Oh yes, don't mind this. This is my name's first alphabet. Can you guess what alphabet this is? A for Aura's World. Now let's keep drawing hearts as per your size and your likings. Isn't it so beautiful? If you want to follow me, remember to subscribe and like down below. It doesn't matter if your drawing is ugly, weird, not good. And remember, if someone says, "Oh, your drawing is so bad," we're not gonna buy it. But just say that my drawing, my choice, as per my look. My drawing is not so good because I'm not so good at drawings. It's okay, but try your best as you draw. Now, after drawing these beautiful cute hearts, we will put the cap on and use this green to make the base stem. We will join the stem together. Color it. After it becomes like this, we will use yellow in between and make a circle. After making the circle, we will use orange to make the sunflower petals. Make small holes in them as they will look prettier as you draw. Look, we have drawn our beautiful petal. Now we will use purple as per your liking or mine. Now we will just connect it to the green stem, and you can draw it so on with beautiful patterns. And don't forget to draw the leaves. Isn't it just marvelous? So I got to end my video. keep drawing beautiful patterns on an A4 sheet. Thank you everyone. Remember to subscribe, like and comment down below for any new drawings you want me to draw. Remember my channel. Let's spell it. A U A U R A S trophy S Aura's world W O R L D apostrophe S. Thank you. Do you want to say it again? Aura's world. My name is Aura. Thank you.